Hey guys, Keesey here. I'm going to show you how to add our Fit Studio login site as a link to your home screen. So first thing you want to do is open up your browser. And up at the URL line, up at the top, you'll want to type in fitstudiova.com and hit go, and that will take you to our website, our main site. You'll want to click in the upper right hand corner the three lines and click resources, and then click on member portal. That will open up a different screen. At the bottom you'll want to click on the box with the arrow pointing up top, and you want to scroll over to the left and click add to home screen. You can name this link whatever name you decide. And then from there, you should now see the Fit Studio link on your home screen. So if you click that, it'll bring you right to the login screen. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you.